quiet tree-lined street in a small neighborhood where a young boy, Sam, is walking home from school. Along the way, he notices a stray dog sitting by the side of the road. The dog looks tired and a bit hungry, but there's something gentle and hopeful in its eyes.
Hey there, little buddy. Are you lost? You look like you could use some food.
I have been wandering these streets for a while now, just hoping someone might be kind enough to share a little food or water. But more than that, I am hoping to find a friend.
A friend? Well, you have found one in me. I don't have much, but I have got this sandwich. It's not much, but I would be happy to share it with you.
That's very kind of you, Sam. It's not just the food that matters, it's the kindness behind it. You know, kindness is like a warm light on a cold night. It makes the world little brighter and little better.
I never thought of it that way. I guess sometimes we forget how much a small act of kindness can mean to someone else.
Exactly. Kindness doesn't have to be big or grand. It's a small thing, sharing a meal, offering a smile, or just being there for someone that make a huge difference.
You are right. I'm glad I met you today. You have taught me something important.
And you have shown me that there are still good people in the world. Remember, Sam, kindness always finds its way back to you, like a circle. What you give out comes back to you in ways you might not expect.
I will remember that, my friend. And if you ever need anything, I will be here for you.
Thank you, Sam. I will be around, spreading the kindness you have shown me. Take care and keep the kindness alive in your heart. From that day on, Sam carried the lesson of kindness with him wherever he went, and the stray dog, with a new lightness in its step, continued its journey, knowing that the world was a bit kinder because of one small boy.